how to buy expert monkey token. So this token came under the symbol of expert. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now before going and buy this token, make sure to check the Rex account as you can see here and keep following the updates about this token. And don't forget to go there and engage with the community. As you can see, they have 39 almost 40,000 followers. So to be able to buy this token, make sure to go on the screen. It is available there. Now the first thing that you notice about this token is the liquidity. The liquidity here is locked by 100%. That's mean it's good, and that's mean also that your investment in the safe place. Now to be able to buy this token, copy the token address from here, and remember this token address is under the Solana network. Now the best wallet for that, it's Phantom Wallet. Now open your Phantom Wallet. After that, log into your account, take that. After that, what you need to do is just click on swap and make sure you have for sure enough Solana on your wallet. Now click here. After that, paste the token address here. As you can see, this is it. Now click on it. Here, type how much you want to buy. Of course, you can increase this amount or decrease it. Now this is how much you receive, and the provider, make sure to select your provider from here, for example Jupiter. After that, make sure to read all of that information here, and after that click on swap and you will be redirected to Jupiter provider page to be able to complete the buy process. So if you face any issues after that, just go back to this page, switch the slip patch from here or custom it, and after that you will be able to buy this token without any issue. So this is how to buy the expert monkey token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.